flooding here. So I guess I won't be doing any work today. I was gonna buy grocery today, but we're gonna buy groceries at Walmart in Center, Texas, and that's a good 20 plus miles away, and I'm not looking forward to this. The camera doesn't pick up how bad it is actually with this rain, and just going over there is just not something that I look forward to. So right now, I have to go to Whataburger and get some breakfast plate. So it's pretty doggone bad right about now. But you know, when you grow up in Louisiana, you're used to driving in rain and water and stuff like that. For me, I'm not scared about driving in water. I respect it. But not scared. What scares me is that we live so close to the Texas border that, you know, it's nothing for Texas people to come over here or we to go over there. And some of them just don't know how to drive. For real. They get like a couple drops of rain and next thing you know, they hydroplaning because they tried to brake hard in rain. That is one thing you do not do when it's raining. It's braking hard. Braking hard will cause you to hydroplane. And even if you hydroplane, you need to know how to come out of it. So if you start hydroplaning, you turn into the direction you're going and your wheels will catch and you'll come out of the hydroplane. Sorry you can't see anything from my Who Dat Nation lanyards up there, but Who Dat for life. Even though now it's more like the NFL is more like WWE, because I think good old Roger Goodell pre-plans out who's going to win these games, and it's up to the refs to make sure of that. And even some of the players, I mean, I love the Saints, but even the last couple of games of the season, you can tell that Drew Brees wasn't putting his all into it. You can tell by the way he's throwing, you can tell by his demeanor. He just wasn't into it. But this is just basically a rambling session to let y'all see how bad it is out here. I mean, the lights and stuff are on for people's cars and stuff, so it's pretty bad to say it's almost noon. Well, actually it's 10:15 in the morning, and is dark out here, for dark enough for the lights and stuff to be automatically popping on. I hadn't done a vlog on any of my channels in a long time, so this is basically what it is, just a vlog, just me rambling for a little bit. And now I'm at Whataburger, where home of the honey barbecue chicken strip sandwich and the water catch. Basically everything here will say water, whatever on it. Say Whataburger. My sister gave me these. Okay, y'all know me. Y'all know that I am the cheapest person you can ever meet. Actually, I take that back. I'm not cheap, I'm frugal. And my family knows it. My family knows 3 things about me. 1, I'm a Saints fan. 2, I love ketchup. Well, I take that back. They know more than that, but you know, 3 of the main things they know about me. Besides loving my family and loving the Father. You know, because without the Father, none of us would be here. But besides that, and my family, of course, they know that I love the Saints. I'm who that for life. I love ketchup. Everything goes on ketchup. Ketchup goes with everything. And the 3rd thing is that I'm cheap or frugal. So my sister got these coupons from her job. She's a Fed, so a free Whataburger with the purchase of a water meal, number 1 through 5. And a Whataburger by itself is huge. Man, I could eat 2 in a row. I have to save 1. And a free honey butter biscuit with the purchase of a honey butter biscuit. So what I'm gonna do is when I get up there to the window, to the wall, I'm gonna ask the lady if they take these, because they actually expire here. Today's like the 3rd or 4th. And today is Danielle Ashworth's birthday. She was a girl I went to school with in high school like years ago. But alright, I'm gonna put y'all on pause. It'll be like a second for y'all, maybe like 10-15 minutes for me because of all this doggone traffic. Look at here. So, and if you've ever been to a Whataburger, you would know for a definite that Whataburger is the slowest franchise out there. But at the same time, to be fast food, it's gooder than a mug. It's gooder than a mug. Gooder than a mug. So, shout out to Whataburger. Oh, let me tell y'all this before I go. Whataburger has these things called, I'm sorry, not Whataburger, Cash App has these things called Boost, where you can get a percentage off if you use your Cash App card. Well, Whataburger is on the Boost. So, I'm going to get 10% off because I'm going to use my Whataburger card. I'm doggone my Whataburger card, my Cash App card to pay for my Whataburger. Now, if you get that survey, it turns out to be $4.69 for $1 for a number 1. But then you take off another 47 cents. So it's going to be $4.22 for a big old meal. And man, y'all, it be gooder than a mug. But anyway, let me go ahead and pause y'all so I can go ahead and get my order on. Let me just go ahead and keep y'all with me. Actually, all-time favorites is already past breakfast.
I apologize. What's that?
Don't be scaring me like that.
What? I apologize.
Let me get a breakfast platter, the pancake platter. I'm sorry.
Pancake platter?
Yes, ma'am.
You want the pancake platter?
Yes, ma'am.
With sausage or bacon?
Let me have bacon, please.
And hash browns?
Yes, please.
And what drink?
Let me have a lemonade.
What else?
Can you make that lemonade a medium instead of the small one that y'all get for this one?
Sure enough. What else?
That'll take care of me.
What else for you?
That's it.
Here's pancake platter with bacon. Hash browns and medium lemonade is going to be $7.07. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, you too.
Hey, this my homie right here, Kiki. Do you love me? Go ahead now.
I'm on YouTube. Come here, we on YouTube. We got YouTube show.
Of course I do. I do all of my. You were supposed to be by there this morning.
I had to be here for sale.
No, I'm glad you didn't come out there this morning. Then I'm encouraging you out. I'm like, doggone, Portland. Probably when I get to the back to the workshop. Big Guy Customs. Yes, you is. That's my girl Kiki and my main man Portland over here. So we ain't gonna put Laura Lee on here because she had messed up my order. Say it again.
See you later, YouTube. Go on YouTube. Gotta go back to work.
All right. Dude, what are you doing? Well, that asshole gonna cut me off driving through the parking lot. So you better be glad I'm trying to be a better Christian, because we have some road rage issues going on. Or I guess that'd be parking lot rage issues going on. But you know, being a good old Cajun, Native American black boy, I have emotional stability issues when people do stupid stuff. So, yeah. But anyways, it's bad out here. But I'm about to head over by my mama and take her some breakfast. So, all right. Well, thanks for y'all hanging out with me on my rambling right about now. So, this is the Big Guy. BigGuyCustoms.com. Big Guy Vending. As always, thank you. And this 18 wheeler just changing lanes on the bridge right in front of me in the rain. So, anyway, it's all good in the hood. My little town on Logansport. Even though I miss, oh man, y'all don't understand how much I really miss Plano, Texas. That's where my nephew Aiden was born. And, I got a lot of friends and stuff out there in the Dallas Fort Worth area. And man, oh, let him pull in. But it's so much more conveniences in Plano. I mean, you're driving to Dallas, which is, not that far away at all. Everything, all kinds of entertainment, eateries, everything. Oh well. Maybe one day I'll move back. With the businesses and stuff here. I don't know if I could work for somebody else again. But anyways, got me just remembering around. Anyway, all right. Well, I'm gonna cut this off. BigGuyCustoms.com, Big Guy Vending. Hey.